Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying hardware, firmware, and an active license. This matters because features depend on versions. Once done, plug your laptop into the management port and use 192, 168, 1, or DHCP to reach the web admin. Log in with admin credentials. If prompted, change the default password to a strong passphrase. Make sure to note the device hostname and time zone. These affect logs and policy scheduling, and they prevent future confusion during deployment. You now configure interfaces and zones because traffic flow depends on clear segmentation. Assign IP addresses and masks to WAN and LAN, then create zones and map interfaces to them. Next, set NAT rules and a baseline policy. Start with explicit allow for trusted LAN to WAN and deny for other inbound traffic. Once done, add static routes, establish VPN peers if needed, and enable DHCP scopes. This ensures devices get addresses and routes. You finish by enabling security profiles, IPS, web filter, application control, and antivirus, so protection is active from day one. Validate policies with live tests. Ping external hosts, perform traceroute, and check that applications match expected profiles. Once verified, save a configuration backup and schedule updates. If things go wrong, use packet capture and real-time logs to pinpoint hits. If necessary, boot into safe mode and revert to the last working config. This prevents prolonged outages and restores service quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.